Today we're making a delicious peach mango milkshake. It is so good and it's only 170 calories. If you want to know how to make it, it's coming up right now on the thecogisshred. Hey, how's it going everybody? My name is John and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. So I know I share a lot of recipes for ice creams you can make in the Ninja Creami, but this machine also makes amazing milkshakes, and I've been wanting to do more milkshake videos ever since I did the Shamrock Shake recipe. Well, we're gonna do that today. If you are ready to make this delicious low-calorie peach mango shake, let's get cooking. The first ingredient in this peach mango milkshake is 1.5 cups of Fairlife Fat Free Milk. So we'll pour that into our blender cup. Next, we'll add 45 grams of Monkfruit Sweetener or the 1-to-1 sugar substitute of your choice. As long as it's a 1-to-1 0-calorie sugar substitute, you should be good. Then add a pinch of salt, 8 grams of sugar-free vanilla Jello pudding mix. All right, now this next ingredient might sound kind of weird, but trust me, when it's all blended together, it works so well. We're gonna add 35 grams of 1% low-fat cottage cheese. I know a lot of people don't like cottage cheese. When this blends together, it complements everything so well because it adds almost a cheesecake quality to it, and it adds a lot of protein. It's a great ingredient. I tried this the first time I made it just on a whim, okay? And it was delicious. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you're missing out. And finally, here's where the peach mango flavor comes from. We're gonna add 6 grams of Mio mango peach flavored drink mix. Oh, this is so good. Make sure to be very careful. I'm gonna weigh it all right here on my food scale so that we get exactly 6 grams, or at least as close to 6 grams as we can. And there we go, perfect. All right, now go ahead and blend this up until it's all thoroughly mixed. Pour it in a Ninja Creami pint and freeze it for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
All right, I've got our frozen peach mango shake right here. I let this sit out just a little longer than usual because I wanted it to get a little softer. It's a milkshake, it's not ice cream, so we want to make sure this can get to a milkshake consistency. Let's go ahead and put it in the Ninja Creami. Put this thing in the machine, turn it on, and this time I'm going to hit milkshake.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Here we go. All right, spin number 1 is done. Now what we're gonna do to make this a milkshake is continue respinning until it gets to the consistency we want. However, since it sat out for a little while, it looks like it's already fairly soft. Look at that, that's already looking quite a bit like a milkshake to me. I'm gonna put it in for one more spin. Oh man. Ooh. I just want it to be a little smoother, easier to drink with a straw. So I'm gonna put it in again and we're gonna hit respin. Here we go. All right, second spin is done. I have a feeling it is now good to go. Let's take a look. Yes, 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 look at that. That is the smooth milkshake we want. So now I'm gonna pour this into a glass, and I happen to have a pint glass right here.
Right here in my hand.
So we're gonna go ahead and pour this in. Oh, look at that. That thick, frosty milkshake.
Let's all go out for some frosty chocolate milkshakes.
All right, so really, this is good to go just like this. This is our shake, but I just wanna make it a little snazzier. I'm gonna add some Fat Free Reddi Wip, because that's what I like to do.
Yo, what it do, baby boo?
And add a straw. Oh yeah, now that is a milkshake. And here it is, a delightfully delicious low-calorie peach mango milkshake. This, oh my goodness. I've made it a few times already. I love this shake so much, I'm gonna just jump right in and get some. That is so good. I love that flavor. I'm a fan of peach shakes anyway. And when I saw that mango peach flavored Mio, I thought it would be okay. I did not expect to love it this much. I've been making these pretty frequently actually. I really like this shake. And I'm telling you, that cottage cheese works so well with the peach flavor, it really makes it like a peaches and cream. Oh, it's so, so good. So good. I'm telling you. Believe me. Okay, I just need to calm down a second and go over the macros with you, okay? Alrighty, so for the entire milkshake, not counting the Reddi Wip, this whole thing is 170 calories. That is it, 170 calories for the whole shake that filled the entire pint glass. 58 grams of carbs, 0 grams of fat.
Come on, girl, it's fat free.
And 23 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein. It's so low in calories, it's kind of insane. And even the Reddi Wip, let's say I put about 25 to 30 grams just now. That's only 25 to 30 additional calories, which is really low, and it's still fat-free, so no additional fat. Just crazy. Just unbelievable. That, like, you cannot find a milkshake at any restaurant that low in calories, and you know, it's still so good. Seriously, I know you're gonna enjoy this. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any suggestions for recipes you might like to see me try in the future, leave them in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear what you're interested in seeing. All right, well, thank you all so much. And until next time, keep on eating, drinking, and shaking. What's shaking, bacon? I don't know, I didn't have an outro planned.